Today I'm going to share with you the tool that I use most often when it comes to finding trends and tags for my RedBubble creations, and that is PodCs. So let's move right over to my computer. There are many reasons why I like PodCs, and one of them is that you can use it not just for RedBubble. So here we are on their pricing page. In the free version, you can use all their tools for RedBubble. You can also use their tool for Merch by Amazon or Etsy, but not all of it. Merch by Amazon have limited products, and just 3 uses per day for keyword analysis, while their paid version, which is $19.80 per month, give you all the options for these. Since I don't publish on Merch by Amazon or use Etsy, it's not important to me. So here we have what you can see. RedBubble Trends. It looks very much like Bubble Spider that we looked at last week. So here we have trending RedBubble trends, and of course you can search for a trend. Let's go with coffee as we did in the last video and click search. And here you can see coffee spelled backwards has high competition now. You can see number 1 to 10. You can see the rating history. You can check for trademark. You can like a trend here, and that will be saved on the left-hand side under your favorites. You can quickly take a look at the Amazon products in the category, and you can go to Google and see what a regular Google search show up. But what I really like here is that they click here to get more information. So let's take a quick look at what that more information is. You can see all the related tags, and you can copy the ones you like by just clicking here. You can copy the top 15 and open in keyword processor. And here we have all the original keywords. And I can choose to add commas with space. In the output, I can remove duplicates. I can convert them all to lower cases. I can remove common words. As you can see from all of this, I got this part left, and I can save to my notes. And if I go down here under tools, I have my notes saved. Back to see more. After we have used the related tags, we can go in and see shops competing, and there are a lot of them. We can see how many products each shop has for this coffee spelled backwards. We can go down and see the average prices. For example, if we are interested in creating t-shirts, the average t-shirt price here is $24.46. We can also go in and look at popular colors, and not surprisingly 49.44% is black. So go back to RedBubble trends. This also shows, just like the other one, the top 3 categories. You can take a quick look at the top selling products in this for these trending phrases. The next tool I like is the tag generator, and let's go here again. Once again, we can choose the words we want. We can copy all tags, and we can open in the keyword processor and do the same principle again. And the RedBubble rank is the last one. And let's see for coffee. Here you can see where it ranks, if it's going upwards or downwards. You can see an historical ranking here, and you can set your top rank if you want to see what's in the most 200, and you can choose the type if you want words that trending up, down, stable, or new. But that is just the RedBubble tools. As you can see here, we have merch by Amazon. We also have some Etsy function. We can do a simple trademark search. One thing I really like about this, if you're thinking ahead, is their social media calendar. And remember, when you are doing things for print on demand, you need to be ahead of time. You need to have time to create your artwork, and people need time to order it. So since we are mid-February, let's look at April here. And it shows up day by day, April Fool's Day, and you see what category they show up in, and tags that can be used. You can look at it on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, Google. I already told you about the tools, notes, keyword processor, and as you see here, you can access PhotoPia. And if you don't know what PhotoPia is, it's a free graphics software that you can use to create your products. And it is a vector-based free program. Here it opens right in PodCs, but you can also go directly to their website. You can use all of these types of files to create here on PhotoPia. Under favorite, we have the keywords we might have saved. One thing you shouldn't ignore is the PodCs tutorial and passive income courses. They have a lot of great tutorial here. And then you have support, feedback, and settings. As I said, this is definitely one of my favorite tools for finding trends and working with tags for my RedBubble. Hopefully this will help you in your creation. And as I said, I warmly recommend using the tools on PodCs website. Until next time, bye!